In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the 2020 Ram 1500. It's a full-size truck that is packed with innovation. If you're curious about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, Ram, and then click 1500. We make it easy to find what you want, fast. The 2020 Ram 1500 is a full-size pickup that was all new in 2019. This new version has features and looks that should give Chevy and Ford a run for their money. Pricing starts at $32,145 for a rear-drive tradesman. The model we're looking at here is the high-end Laramie Crew Cab Diesel 4x4 with the Night Edition package. This one is loaded with features and options for a suggested retail price of $72,115, including destination. A truck is only as good as its engine, and here the Ram delivers with a new for 2020 3-liter diesel that puts down 480 pound-feet of torque and 260 horsepower while still scoring an EPA rating of up to 29 miles to the gallon on the highway and 21 around town. Opt for the optional 33-gallon fuel tank and you can theoretically stretch a single fill-up to 957 miles of range. When properly equipped, this setup can tow up to 12,560 pounds. All 1500s come with a standard TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission with a standard 3.21 rear axle. On the side of the Ram is the Rambox storage system. This provides extra storage in what is normally unused space. The rear tailgate drop is cushioned, which you would probably expect at this price point, but it also features an innovative swing side option that you wouldn't expect, which provides better accessibility. Upper trims like this Laramie model include remote start on the key fob. Inside, the 1500 can provide a full-on luxury truck experience. Even the second row has available charging sockets and AC power. Fold up the seats for expanded secure storage. Moving up front, you can see just how far Ram has come in its interior quality. This Laramie has fine leather and a massive panorama sunroof available. It also has the latest in advanced safety, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision mitigation, blind spot warning, and a rear backup camera with surround view and parking sensors. The gauge cluster is modern and easy to read with a digital screen that provides the most important information at a glance. And that's just how this Ram truck is. It is easy to live with lots of storage and even wireless charging for compatible devices. Our test vehicle came with a stunning large-screen entertainment system. Plug in your mobile device to access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Driving the 1500 is easy and fun without any of the fuss associated with yesterday's trucks. 4x4 models can even switch to an auto all-wheel drive mode to alleviate any confusion about what drive mode you should pick. This is great for going over mountain passes or any other environment where road conditions are uncertain. If you're looking for an attractive and capable truck, we'd suggest looking no further than the 2020 Ram 1500. It's got the options you want, and some you've probably never even thought of. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see options and pricing on the new Ram 1500. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation dealer.